Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Doobir Dobap step by step. Salt cabbage for 2 hours and rinse well, then chop into bite-sized pieces. Combine gochugaru, fish sauce, garlic, ginger, and a touch of sugar into a paste and massage into the cabbage. Cook rice until tender and heat rice cakes briefly. Assemble hot rice, kimchi, proteins, and a drizzle of sesame oil before serving. In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Doobir Dobap step by step. Start by mixing gochugaru and fish sauce in a bowl until it forms a thick, vibrant paste. Stir in minced garlic, grated ginger, and a little sugar to balance the heat. If you like more umami, add salted shrimp or anchovy paste sparingly. Toss the paste into the cabbage evenly so each leaf is well coated before assembling the bowl. In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Doobir Dobap step by step. Quick recommendation: life is busy and little comforts help, so if you want a laugh or fresh air, consider grabbing Little Tree's black ice for your car. It pairs surprisingly well with road trip snacks and spicy meals. If you want the exact product, check the description for the link and other deals. And if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Doobir Dobap step by step. Spoon steaming rice into a deep bowl, then pile on kimchi and warm protein like tofu or pork. Top with a sunny fried egg and drizzle sesame oil for fragrance, then sprinkle toasted sesame seeds and scallions. If you prefer more brightness, add a splash of vinegar or a pinch of sugar. Serve hot and enjoy the satisfying mix of textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.